Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. With Easter just around the corner, we thought we would share some fun activities you can do on Easter Sunday with your family and friends. So, if you are looking for ideas to make your Easter Sunday a memorable one, keep watching. Activity number 1: Go on an Easter egg hunt. An Easter egg hunt is a classic Easter activity that people of all ages can enjoy. Hide some colorful Easter eggs around your yard or a nearby park, and let the kids hunt for them. You can even make it more challenging by hiding clues that lead to the eggs. And do not forget to reward the winners with some Easter treats. Activity number 2: Bake Easter treats. Easter is also a wonderful time to get creative in the kitchen. Bake some Easter-themed treats like cupcakes, cookies, or a carrot cake. You can even get the kids involved in the baking process by letting them decorate the treats with frosting and candy. Activity number 3: Play board games. If you are looking for a more relaxing activity, why not spend some time playing board games? Gather your family or friends around a table and play some Easter-themed games like Bunny Hop or Easter Egg Hunt. It is a fantastic way to bond with your loved ones and have some fun at the same time. Activity number 4: Make Easter crafts. Another way to get creative on Easter Sunday is to make some Easter crafts. You can make Easter-themed decorations like paper bunnies or Easter egg garlands. You can also make some Easter cards to send to your loved ones. It is a fun way to express your creativity and do something special for the holiday. Activity number 5: Attend a church service. Finally, Easter Sunday is a religious holiday, so attending a church service can be a meaningful way to celebrate the occasion. Whether you are a regular churchgoer or just want to experience the holiday in a spiritual setting, attending a church service can help you reflect on the true meaning of Easter. So, there you have it, 5 fun activities you can do on Easter Sunday. Which activity are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more holiday ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and Happy Easter!